Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to redeem gift card on Zalando. Pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zalando account, which of course you've done right here. The next thing is I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your own Zalando account, and here's how you can get that done. Launch any browser of your choice, and then from your browser head over to the search bar. In the search bar type zalando.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Zalando. Once you get into the website, top right corner, you're going to find the sign up button. Click on that and follow through the process to create your account. After creating your account successfully, that's going to take you to this official homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Zalando. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to, of course, redeem gift cards on Zalando. So how do you redeem your gift card? So from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. So here you're going to find an extended menu that says your account, orders, return an item, help and contact. So just go ahead and click on your account, and that's going to take you to your personalized accounts window. So head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to see overview, orders, return an item, returns, personal details, addresses, and definitely you're going to find gift card. So head over and click, head over here and click on gift cards. All right, and that's going to open up the gift cards window. So here's how you can redeem. Let's read a few things that we need to know. So you can use your total to pay. That's the total of the gift card balance to pay. You can pay in part or in full for future orders, and this cannot be exchanged for cash. Now, got a gift card. If you have a gift card, enter a gift card code to redeem it and add it to your total, and you can pay with this as checkout. So you don't have to go through the process of paying with your balances in your bank account at checkout or PayPal account. You can use that using gift card. So all you need to do is to enter your gift card code right here. So just on your gift card, either your e-gift card or the physical gift card, whichever one you have, go ahead and locate the code, which is very much easier to find, and then enter your code here. And once you enter your code here, go ahead and click on redeem gift card, and you see that you'll be able to redeem your gift card, and your balance right here is going to change to the balance that is available in that gift card. It says if you've just bought a gift card, it can take up to 24 hours for it to be activated. So you're just gonna have to relax. It's a new gift card. Don't get so pent up when you see that it has not been activated yet. So just wait for 24 hours or even less for it to be activated. So this is pretty much how you can redeem a gift card. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.